In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize a large deck with sections and color codes in PowerPoint. If your presentation has grown beyond a handful of slides, organizing it with sections and colors will save you time, reduce clutter, and make presenting smoother. Start in Normal View, where you can see your slide thumbnails on the left. Right-click in the space between two slides and choose Add Section. A prompt appears, so you can name it right away. Use clear, purposeful labels. Think by topic, project phase, or chapter, so you and your audience understand the structure at a glance. Keep names concise but descriptive to make navigation effortless. You can always refine those labels later. Right-click a section header and choose Rename Section if you want to sharpen the wording or change how you group content. When you need to concentrate on a specific part of the deck, collapse the sections you're not working on. Collapsing hides those slides from view and reduces distraction, making it much easier to focus. Expand them again when you're ready to see the full picture. Next, add visual cues with color. Right-click a section, choose Section Color, and select a color. This feature is available in PowerPoint 2021 and Microsoft 365. Your chosen color will show up on slide thumbnails and in Slide Sorter, helping you recognize sections instantly while editing and presenting. Choose a palette with intention. Use colors that suggest meaning. Avoid using too many at once, and make sure there's enough contrast so labels are easy to read. To see everything at once, switch to Slide Sorter from the View tab. This view lays out all your slides with their section headers and colors, giving you a true bird's-eye view of your deck. Rearranging is as simple as dragging a section header to a new position. This is the fastest way to check your narrative flow, consolidate related content, and ensure your pacing makes sense. Reinforce that structure with consistent formatting. Use the same color-coded accents within each section, matching fonts, shape fills, and subtle background tints, so the visuals echo your section color without overwhelming the content. Stick to theme colors for easy consistency, keep backgrounds light for readability, and reserve bold accents for headers or key callouts. The goal is a clear visual hierarchy that guides the audience without distracting from your message. That's it. Sections for structure, colors for clarity, slide sorter for control, and consistent formatting to tie it all together.